Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install DataGrip on your MacBook. DataGrip is a powerful database IDE from JetBrains, designed for working with multiple database systems. It supports popular databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, MongoDB, and more, and offers intelligent SQL assistance, powerful query execution, and advanced database management tools to help you work faster and more efficiently. Alright, let's get started. First, open any web browser. I'm using Brave, but Safari, Chrome, or Firefox will work just fine. In the search bar, type Download DataGrip, then press Enter. From the results, click on the official JetBrains website. I've also added the direct download link in the video description. Once you're on the DataGrip download page, choose the correct version for your Mac, Apple Silicon or Intel. If you're not sure which one you have, click the Apple menu in the top left corner and select About this Mac. If you see Apple M1, M2, M3, or M4, you're using an Apple Silicon Mac. If it says Intel, then you're on an Intel-based Mac. After selecting the correct version, click Download. Save the installer to your Downloads folder. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. A new window will open. Simply drag the DataGrip icon into the Applications folder. This installs DataGrip on your Mac. When it's done, you can close the window and delete the installer file to free up space. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and launch DataGrip. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to continue. When DataGrip launches for the first time, accept the user agreement by clicking Continue. You'll then be asked to activate DataGrip. If you already have a license or subscription, choose Activation Code and enter your details. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to begin using DataGrip for free. And that's it. DataGrip is now installed on your Mac, and you're ready to start managing your databases with ease. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.